Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on your GoDaddy website builder. This is a great way to refresh your site's look and make it more visually appealing to your visitors. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to type in your credentials to log into your account. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed straight to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your GoDaddy services. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find several options. Click on Website to proceed to the next step. After clicking on Website, you'll be taken to your website overview page. This page gives you a snapshot of your site's current status and various management options. Now, you need to locate the Edit Site button, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. This button is essential as it takes you into the editing interface where you can make changes to your website's design and content. Go ahead and click on it to open your website editor. Once you're in the editor, it's time to change your website's background. To do this, locate the website menu icon positioned at the top right part of your screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various customization options. From this menu, click on Theme. The theme settings are where you can control the overall visual appearance of your site, including backgrounds, colors, and layouts. After clicking on Theme, you'll be able to browse through different theme options that GoDaddy offers. These themes come with various background styles and designs that can dramatically transform how your website looks. Take your time scrolling through the listed templates to find one that matches your vision and brand aesthetic. Once you've found a theme you like, simply click on Select to apply it. This will change your website's background to match the new theme you've chosen. You may need to wait a moment while the changes process and apply across your site. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the background on your GoDaddy website builder, giving your site a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.